Across the globe, growers often struggle to attain optimal root-growing environments when using substrates. In low-quality coir, a large dry section is present, meaning roots cannot grow. The middle to bottom is the area where most roots develop. However, this space is limited. There is commonly a wet zone, which drastically increases the possibility of root diseases. This results in significant wasted resources and management time due to high runoff. Introducing moisture control technology by Cocogreen. MCT enables growers to utilize a larger surface area without adding more volume. Growers save money and fertilizers, as MCT allows a more even distribution of humidity and moisture across the root zone. This means that more fine roots develop, so additional water and fertilizer is absorbed by the plant, resulting in less wastage and higher yield. MCT provides a homogeneous moisture content from the top to the bottom of the substrate and has redefined the substrate industry. With MCT, growers experience consistent visual uniformity and health of crops, enabling more time and money to focus on other areas of their farm management.